I'm about to unlock the magic of photography editing with none other than Anthony Morganti's Lightroom Course. Now, if you're passionate about photography, you're in for a treat. Anthony Morganti, a seasoned expert, has crafted a Lightroom course that's truly comprehensive. You might wonder to yourselves, but Rico, why do you endorse someone else's course on your channel rather than making your own? And that's a very good question, and I have the perfect answer for you. When I first started YouTube, Anthony Morganti was the first person to pick up on my videos. We've got in touch, stayed in touch, and I've even made a dedicated video on Darktable for his channel. I always find it important to remember and appreciate the people that were there from the start, and he's one of them. Right. Let's get into his course. One of the unique selling points of this course is the fact that it's ever evolving. There are regular updates and add-ons. I believe that exactly resembles how I know Anthony. Helpful till the very end. And let's say there's something you don't understand or that raises questions with you, he's very approachable as well. This is different from other courses that don't receive regular updates or require you to pay extra. And the course starts off with a things you absolutely need to know section. And in this chapter, he speaks about regular updates, files being added, and presents you with his contact data. And the next chapter is how to upgrade the Lightroom version from version 12 to version 13. The chapter after that is called Quick Start. And here you will find instruction videos on the absolute basics when it comes to editing. Think of things like culling through your images, which is a word for describing giving ratings to photos, after which you can then proceed to filter on and then work at them. And he also introduces the color edit and the black and white edit, and as a bonus he provides all the raw files for free. There's more being discussed in this chapter, which is part of the first few steps and basics. And like Darktable, Lightroom starts off with a workspace. You can customize it and use different views: grid, loop, develop loop, compare, survey, reference, and before and after. And these are the different views in Lightroom Classic that he showcases to you. And each view has a specific idea behind it and helps you during your creative process. His course also discusses importing and exporting, and the library module. Both are intertwined with each other because importing images leads to a library. Flags, ratings, filtering, creating export presets, it's all being presented to you in 11 videos in total. One video in particular I'd like to mention is the Smart Collections one. It's a little over 5 minutes and explains how to use this to your advantage. For instance, when you start up Lightroom Classic, it already has some Smart Collections as presets. And it contains folders like 5 stars, recently modified, without keywords, and so on. Opening up one of these folders will only show you the photos that match that criteria. It's a pretty neat way to edit your photos because you can start with your best photos and then gradually move on to the less interesting ones, for instance. So in this chapter, Anthony shows you how to use it to your advantage. And the two biggest chapters in this course are the develop module and the masking. And this is where the magic of this course truly shines. This is the backbone of the course, the heartbeat of it all. Color grading, corrections, reading the histogram, and using the tools to your advantage, as well as all the raw files, you name it, he mentioned it. I'm very jealous of how thorough he is. It's really that good. Take the masking part, for instance, which is basically how to become the pro of all pros, how to not become the director of the circus but the inventor of it. And if you're able to manage the use of masks in a photo, you will enhance your photography game by over 1000%. And after these extremely well thought out and thorough chapters, there are 7 more waiting for you. These are the tools in Lightroom Classic, like the healing tools, and he teaches you about the content aware remove tool, the heal brush, and the clone brush. And I'm especially impressed by the content aware remove tool. He uses a photo as an example, which was shot at beachside, and where he makes a bird disappear and replaces it back with a piece of cloud that seamlessly integrates into the cloud the bird was flying in front of. And then there's the map module, the book module, the slideshow menu, the web module, and the miscellaneous. And each chapter once again has all the raw files being used so you can follow along with the tutorial. But it's for a reason they say save the best for last, which is that as his friend, he gave me a discount code, and as your friend, I'm sharing it here. If you use the code RICO20, you will receive a $20 discount. However, right now there's a discount code for Black Friday. If you use Black Friday 2023, then you'll get $30 off right now. If you follow the link in the description, this will act as an affiliate link and will reward me for my efforts as well. That way we can all benefit. Also, Since we're approaching Christmas, I'm going to do a giveaway of this course. This will be paid by me personally and is a way to saying thank you for all the support. And to enter the giveaway, you'll need to share this video on Twitter and tag me in it using @RicoResolves. And then secondly, I need you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, as well as Anthony Morganti's YouTube channel, and then send a screenshot of proof to info@ricoresolves.com. And in this mail, state your username on Twitter and send the screenshots of the subscriptions to both channels. If you're already subscribed, then follow the same steps because you are eligible too. The winner will be randomly selected and announced after a month from posting this video. The exact date to when this giveaway runs will be mentioned in the comment section. And that's it. Thank you for watching, good luck in the giveaway, and I'll see you next time. Doei!